Hey guys, today in the shop we've got a couple different things going on. We've got some bolts that hold some cutter blades on a cutting head for a skid steer that apparently the nut came off. This is a different nut, and it just guarded up all this stuff, and the blade slid down and just guarded all up. So what we're having to do is we're having to turn this down a little bit, and then I've got a new nut that's actually a 9/16 18 thread pitch. I'll turn that down, and this new nut will go on and hopefully solve the problem for them. But if they can just keep the nut on here, you know, these threads won't be a problem. And then this is, there's actually two of them. There's two of them. This one right here is not tore up as bad, but this one's pretty tore up. So I'm gonna redo both of them, get 9/16 18 thread cut on both of them, so these nuts will go on here, and hopefully we'll have a happy customer. So y'all stick with me. We're gonna get to the lathe and get rolling. All right, guys, we're gonna get these parts indicated and get them ready to be turned down. All right, we've got it centered up here, and we've got it ready to turn down this section right here. So I'm gonna get some measurements and exactly figure out what I gotta have on the inside of this for my total overall diameter real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, on the diameter I need, I couldn't quite get these threads completely out of here, so that could cause a slight issue. But hey, we got them. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna cut some threads right quick and see what happens. What I'm doing right here is I'm squaring up my tool to the chuck so I can make sure that my threads are being cut square. All right, we've got this thread done right here. Got it all nice, looks good. The nut just spins right on there. So this should fix this one. Now I've got to grab another one and get another one set in here and do one more, and then we'll be done with these. We'll give you a up close to these threads. Yeah, those are some nice looking threads right there. So one's done.